The most judgmental person in your life is and always has been you, because you are your own audience. You've seen every single thing that's happened in your life, and you've gotten to witness each time that you lost integrity, each time that you violated your honor, each time that you violated your pride. And I wanted to let you know, or you probably know this already, but I wanted to clarify it. You need to be careful what you see yourself do. Part of the hope of the world, part of the hope of the universe is simply knowing that you are honorable. You will have hope that you can have a loyal marriage and everything can go right if you yourself are a loyal person. If you are not, there is no hope in the world for loyalty, because the hope begins with you. You are the example of what can be in the world. So you need to actually have enough goodness that you have hope and you have faith. If you are a thief and a drug dealer and a liar and a cheat and so on and so forth, do you know that it is impossible for you to trust another person? Because you have always been the pinnacle of integrity, or the pinnacle of possibility. If I can steal from you, then anyone can steal. But if I cannot steal from you, it's not that no one can steal, but I'll tell you what, I can trust people a lot easier. Right? This is nothing to do with whether or not other people are good to you. This is simply you being good, independent of another person. You are your own audience, your key audience, your most critical audience, and it's important that you keep your faith high by not violating your own integrity. Deep concept, almost impossible to understand fully. But I wanted to remind you that no, in order to be a knight, you need to be a knight to yourself. Any validation from outside doesn't really count. If you see yourself and you're a knight, that is the only knighthood there is to be had.